Hey there! Have you ever been on a call and urgently needed some information from a colleague? I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today I'll show you how to easily start a new Teams chat about a contact, deal, project, or task, and get speedy feedback. Let's get started. Let's pretend that I am a project manager responsible for a project that's about to start. My sales rep Grady still hasn't received a contract signed by the customer, but the customer has already approached me to find out when we can start. What's going on? If I select the email, eWay-CRM Online shows me complete details about the deal in the preview panel. It's still in the status of contract. See? Let me go to the hub to get the latest communication. Grady sent the contract to the customer yesterday. He set a follow-up task for tomorrow. This is when he will approach the customer if we don't hear from them. Nothing else, so let's ask him. Let me click Chat in Teams to open a new chat. eWay-CRM will ask me with whom I want to chat. Grady is already filled in as he is the contact owner, so I can start the chat. eWay-CRM automatically includes a hyperlink to open the deal so Grady knows what I want to talk about. I can start typing. Hey Grady, Mr. Harding is asking when can I start this project. We are still waiting for the signed contract, right? I have received the contract 2 minutes ago, saving it to eWay-CRM as we speak. Fantastic. Let me kick it off right away. Integration with Teams is a huge help allowing people to get information as quickly as possible. We made it available everywhere, not just from the preview panel in your Outlook. Let's check some other examples. Let's pretend that I'm a VP of sales, this time reviewing our company pipeline. I have noticed one of the deals is past its estimated close date. What's going on here? I can immediately reach out to the colleague who owns the deal and get things back on track. So let's open the deal to see who is the owner. The deal belongs to Patty, but no information about the delay. Let's ask Patty. Again, chat in Teams and start the chat. Hi, Patty. I've noticed a little hiccup with the deal. Mind updating me? On the call with the customer right now. We'll include my notes shortly. Thank you, Patty. Chat in Teams is everywhere. I can right-click on an item in the list. I can do the same in Kanban. We've already shown the button in the preview panel, but it's also available in the hub. Again, right-click. We just believe that the ability to quickly communicate with your team is essential. That's why Chat in Teams truly is everywhere. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.